Hello there, Deepseek, the new viral thing in the internet. All of you know that Deepseek is a free AI model just like ChatGPT. As an embedded engineer, let's see something with Deepseek. So in this video, let's see is the Deepseek really capable of writing Arduino code for us? Let's find out. You can just access the Deepseek model by going deepseek.com, or you can download the app from stores. It's completely free and there is no pro version or premium subscription. Awesome. Now let's start by a simple task. I want to blink a LED twice in 1 second using an Arduino. So I provide the details like following. I have a LED which is connected to Arduino Nano pin 6. I need to blink the LED twice in 1 second. For that, generate the Arduino code. Here you can see the Deepseek's reply. First it explained the process, then generated the code. And the code seems promising, and there is also code explanation. Now let's copy the code to Arduino IDE. Here I connected an LED to pin 6 of Arduino Nano. Now let's upload the code. After uploading, you can see the working. So the first code worked perfectly without any problem. Next I want to control a NeoPixel LED color by pressing the buttons. So I provided the details like this. I have a NeoPixel LED, 3 buttons and a Arduino. I want to show red color on LED when I press the first button, green color when I press the second button, also blue on pressing the third button. So here you can see the reply and the code. After the code, Deepseek explained the connections and library details. So I copied the code to Arduino IDE and uploaded the code. Here is the circuit. I have connected the buttons and LED according to Deepseek. Now see the working. Surprisingly, it worked without any problem. This means we can just explain the needs in our words and Deepseek can generate the code according to that. Very nice. Now let's go a little bit further. I want to display I am Deepseek on a I2C 128x64 OLED which is connected to an Arduino. Here is the generated code by Deepseek. The code is simple and it uses Adafruit GFX library. Here I have connected the Arduino and LED according to the Deepseek information. Ground to ground, VCC to 5V, SCL to A5 and SDA to A4. I know this connection is correct because I am familiar with it. Now I uploaded the code and see. I am Deepseek on OLED. Perfect. For final test, I want to display Deepseek logo on the OLED screen. So here comes the code and the explanation. I quickly copied the code and uploaded the code to Arduino and see the result. This is not the output we want. So what happened? First I didn't check the explanation section. Now I checked and it says we need to convert the logo into bitmap and replace the bitmap in the given code. Also it explains how we can convert the logo into bitmap and provide the necessary links. So I followed that and I re-uploaded the code. Now see the logo on OLED and it's awesome. So everything worked for me. I'm not sure about is it possible to generate complex algorithms with this. I will definitely try that soon. But for me now it's perfect. Literally we can write codes using our own words like Jensen Huang said. You can try by yourself and let me know your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed. I learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. Happy deep seeking. Bye bye.